I'm going to show you how to take these almonds and turn them into these keto, sugar-free almond brownies. Check it out. They're delicious. Oh yeah. Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. Let's start by bringing some water to a boil. Now that the water is boiling, add 2 cups of almonds to the boiling water and let stand for 1 minute. Now put the almonds in a sieve and cool them off quickly with some cold water from the faucet. Place your freshly blanched almonds onto a cutting board and peel the skins off of the almonds. Now you place the peeled almonds into a cookie tray and into the oven at about 200 degrees with the door open. Let them dry off for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add the almonds to the food grinder and grind them down as fine as you can with the food grinder. Your almond flour is ready to use. Now, add 3 eggs to a mixing bowl. Break up the yolks with a fork. Add 1½ cups of almond flour to the bowl and mix that up. Then add 3/4 of a cup of monk fruit sweetener to the mix. Add 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder to the mixture. Oops, a little dusty. Now add 1/2 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the mixture and mix that up. Now add your brownie mixture to a greased parchment paper lined tray. Smooth that off with a spatula. Place it into the oven at 350 degrees for about half an hour. After cooling, cut your brownies into the brownie squares, serve, and enjoy.